What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Owen, and tonight we are going to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party 2024. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for returning. If you are new here, my name is Owen. I'm originally from Maryland, but as you can see, I'm currently in my brand new apartment in the heart of Orlando. I am currently attending the University of Central Florida and having a blast. And today was the last day of our first week. So I figured, why not celebrate the first week or syllabus week with going to Mickey's Not So Scary. I'm going with one of my new friends, Audrey. She will be going with me, and we're gonna have a blast tonight. It's just me and her hanging out. We are going as Hercules and Meg. So if you guys are out in the park and you see us, definitely come up and say hi. I personally think that we have some pretty cool outfits. Mine is very like modern day Hercules, I guess you could say, because it's kind of just like, I kind of just like threw it together at the last minute because we made these plans last minute. But we're going to Mickey's Not So Scary. I am super excited. I have not been, and you guys have to, I know, hear me out on this. We always go on the cruises. You know, I love the cruises the most, but when there's something themed going on at Disney, I think it just really adds to the magic of Disney. The very first time I ever went to Disney was 2008 in September. We went and did Disney World, and it also happened to be Mickey's Not So Scary. So while we were there, that was back when tickets were like $50 a person and not like $120 like they are now. But yeah, I was very little. I think I was either 4 or 5 the first time we went, and I remember the parade, and I remember riding the Haunted Mansion as my first ride. I think that's pretty much all I remember. I do remember a little bit of the candy trail, but I don't remember where it stops. But obviously, in over a decade, there have been many changes to Mickey's Not So Scary. There's some new features, some old elements that they brought back to the party. There is a lot of new food items, a lot. I'm not gonna be able to try all of them, but I have my eyes set on 2 things that I want to try. I think Audrey wants to try one of the same things. I also do want to thank you guys. If you have seen the Disney Cruise videos that I recently put out from our July cruise on the Disney Fantasy, thank you guys so much for watching those. My numbers have been doing steadily better, and I'm so freaking thankful that everyone is enjoying the content I'm putting out. Now that I live here, there's going to be a lot more stuff that I'm able to record with living here. We're gonna try to go on the Treasure in June of 2025. But yeah, I did want to hit on a point real quick before we do go to Mickey's Not So Scary. Right here, I'll put it like right there. That is a picture of me and Luke during Mickey's Not So Scary the first time we went. You guys can see how little we were. It was an absolute blast. I'm so blessed that I've grown up at Disney, even though I lived in Maryland my whole life. I'm so blessed to have been able to take trips to Disney for over a decade now. And it's really, really special to me that I get to live here and attend one of the best schools in the country, but also to keep up with my love of theme parks and keep up with my love of Disney and all of that, and also study one of the best majors ever. I'm studying theater. I'm not doing film anymore, so I'm studying theater. It's where my heart has always told me to go or told me to do. And like I say in every video, I hope and pray one day to work for Disney Cruise Line. So we're working on it. We're working on it. Let's go over the game plan real quick for Not So Scary. So I know the earliest that you can get into the park at Magic Kingdom is 4 p.m. But we are going to head up there around 3, get to the park, and then the park is open for like guests until I think 6 p.m. If you don't have a wristband that says Not So Scary on it, past 6 p.m., you have to leave the park, and then the party actually starts at 7 and goes till midnight. And there's a bunch of stuff going on. I will have to look at it once I get there because I've only read very, very little. I should have done more research, but I do know that we're going to try to ride Haunted Mansion. We're going to try to ride Space Mountain. Space Mountain has a Halloween-themed overlay, and I think they turn off all the lights, even like up in the ceiling and everything. Like there's no stars. You can't see anything. It's pitch black. So that should be fun. But new this year, 2024, for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is the Hitchhiking Ghost outside of the Country Bear Jamboree. I am hoping and praying that when we go, they are out, because your boy really likes Haunted Mansion, and Phineas, Gus, and Ezra are the coolest out of the 999 Happy Haunts. And if they have room for one more, I might be moving in. And I know Mom, Dad, and Luke, you guys are watching this video. Hi, I miss you guys a lot, and I love you guys a lot. But my mom has tasked me with recording the parade for her so that she can see it, and I have to get a shot of one of the wreaths. So, Mom, it's coming. You gotta watch the entire video though. The entire thing. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get ready to go make these not so scary. We are definitely gonna see the parade. We're gonna see the fireworks and maybe the Hocus Pocus show. But whatever we end up doing, it is going to be a fun night, and I'm so excited to go back. It's been over a decade since I've done Not So Scary. And yeah, so I will see you guys once I have my Hercules fit on. Also, real quick, I do have to show you guys my apartment. I finally made it kind of like my home. I think it's pretty obvious that I go to UCF. That's my little piece of home up there. That's a flag I got at the Ravens game. So that's my little piece of home. And I just put up some lights. I have a TV and my desk and everything's over there. My snacks and everything. Shout out Quest protein bars. That's what I've been living off of. Then I have my hats and everything. But enough with the room. That's not what this video is about. Like I said, I'm going to get ready for Mickey's Not So Scary. Put on the Hercules fit. And then I will show you guys my fit. All right. And the Hercules fit is on. And Audrey's about to come pick me up, and we're gonna head to Magic Kingdom. We got about like an hour drive, even though we're in Orlando from UCF. But this is the fit. I made the shirt myself, and then I bought like a costume kit online. I have like wrist guards or whatever he wears. So yeah, we're going as Hercules and Meg. Mickey's Not So Scary 2024. Let's go do it. Made it here to Magic Kingdom for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, and special guest, first time on the vlog, Miss Audrey. Do you want to shout out yourself out?
My channel is Audrey Ever After. Follow me on YouTube, and then my Instagram is audrey.fuller.
I'll link both of them down below. But show off the fit, show off the fit. And should I show the bag?
Yeah.
I guess I should show the bag. So it's us. Oh, how cute! Are you excited? It's Audrey's first time. So,
do you want to show your fit?
I'm giving like tourist, but like also Hercules. So all I have is the shirt and then these, and then I said modern, so
yes,
we're modern day Hercules. But we're gonna go inside, check out the party, and have a great time. Let's go. Sold out. Sold out. Wow, Magic Kingdom looks incredible. I haven't been here, like I said, since 2008, and I don't remember much, but this looks accurate. This way, we gotta go pick up our bags for our candy, and then yeah. So when you do come to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, you do enter a separate way. You don't get to walk right down Main Street, but honestly, when it's a special ticketed event, you definitely want to go down this way because of everything that's happening. So we're gonna grab our treat bags, and we got our first dish of candy, and then go in and have fun. Donald.
Welcome to the party. Come on in. We're so excited to have you. Hi. Oh, great costume. Yes. Love it.
First candy stop. First candy stop. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So here's what's going on tonight at Mickey's Not So Scary. We have a bunch of different things to choose from. Ooh, artwork, okay. So, exclusive merch, oh my god. Different types of food and everything. I really want to try that at some point tonight. And then we're gonna try to see everything. So, we're definitely doing the Boo to You parade. We're doing the Hocus Pocus?
For sure.
Okay,
And
Hocus Pocus.
The fireworks.
And then the fireworks, obviously. So there's
other stuff, we'll see if it works.
There's a lot going on.
Schedule.
We have till midnight.
Yeah.
And that's it.
We got a long time though.
That's a lot, yeah.
It's like 6. No, it's 5. It's 5.
Yeah, it's 5. We're good.
We have a long time. We have like 7 hours.
We're waiting to figure out what we want to do. But I just realized that I haven't been to Magic Kingdom since June of 2023. So I haven't seen Tiana's in person yet. You have though.
I have.
Audrey says it's nice. It's very pretty. I want to ride it eventually. I don't know if we're gonna get to it tonight, but we'll see. We're here for Halloween, even though it's August.
Yeah.
But we're here for Halloween.
Spooky season.
So I'm so excited. Like, legit cannot wait. But we're gonna try to hit everything tonight. Make sure we get everything in for you guys. And then,
Yeah.
all right, so Audrey's decided. First plan of action, Haunted Mansion. Of course, with it being Mickey's Not So Scary, you can't come to Mickey's Not So Scary and not go on this ride. So we're knocking it out ahead of time early. We've waited like maybe 10 minutes for this. So this is my favorite ride.
My favorite ride.
Is it your favorite ride?
It is my favorite ride.
Yoda. Uh-oh. Here we go.
To the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Oh my god, I forgot that's here. I haven't seen it yet. What? Oh my god, dude. What the heck? Not me just realizing that the Hatbox Ghost is here and I haven't seen it in person yet. Just right there. Yeah. You know, we're stuck because I was an idiot and whipped up my camera because I got a little too excited about the Hatbox Ghost. My flash went off.
That's
So
the ghost said
no. Get out now.
Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing the bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. I do.
Sometimes high over dead oak trees.
So right for the midnight train.
Creepy creeps waiting here.
Alright, Audrey, what we're gonna get? What are we gonna get? He's gonna switch our heads? Yep. So, I'm in love with their costumes. Their costumes look awesome. Haunted Mansion, that's incredible. Everyone out here is so festive and decorated and dressed up, and I'm loving this.
Oh, look at the sky.
However, I'm not loving this at all.
Oh.
That does not look good. Castle looks great, but behind it, no. Because Mickey's Not So Scary is going on in the Emporium, if you want any of the merch, you have to wait in line to actually get up to the merch. We've been in line for what, like 5 minutes maybe?
Yeah, it's not bad. It goes by fast.
It's not bad. But I will say, if you are coming to Mickey's Not So Scary and you want merch, do not wait until later and when everything's over. Get it before the party starts. That's what we're doing.
I probably wouldn't wear it, but it's funny.
That is cute. Looking at the merch right now, the exclusive stuff for the party. The Spirit jersey is really cool. Let's see, the Hocus Pocus shirt. That one's cool.
That is cool. I like this too. I think this is cute.
Yeah, yeah. The ears are cool. Oh, come on.
Those are cute.
You have to. I'm a bad influence. Hold that one up.
This one?
Yeah. Exclusive pins. I want that one. This one. So we finished shopping in the Emporium. Audrey got her stuff.
I got a Spirit jersey and a pass holder pin.
I'm working on my pass holder.
Yeah.
I gotta convert my driver's license.
My
to
discount
Florida.
was $17 off. It's so worth it.
I need it. I need it.
Worth it.
I need it. But sky doesn't look that good right now. So we're gonna try to find something indoors.
Yeah, I think we want to go get food.
Yeah,
There's like
definitely.
a pumpkin cheesecake thing at Casey's Corner I want to try. But it's 6:30 right now. The party starts at 7. So I don't know if they have the stuff out yet or not.
Yeah,
like the
yeah.
specialty thing.
It is getting close to the party, so but
Hopefully soon.
hopefully. All the decor. This is, oh. I'm glad I started recording.
Spell has been cast, and at 7 o'clock, the Magic Kingdom will transform for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. Unfortunately, tonight's event is sold out. If you want to attend another party night, please visit Guest Relations located at City Hall in Town Square. This evening's tricks and treats will reveal themselves in just 30 minutes. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! I hear leaves falling. I see all the fall leaves and everything. It's getting spookier. Spookier by the minute. But Main Street looks so pretty. I honestly think that Halloween at Disney is one of the best that you can experience. Christmas is fun. Audrey likes Christmas.
I love Christmas.
We're gonna come back for
I love
Christmas,
Christmas.
obviously, but Magic Kingdom, we're doing it, man. We're doing it. This guy kind of adds to it, though. So.
I like, as long as it doesn't rain, I'm like, oh, sleigh.
Yeah.
I like it.
Mom, this shot's for you, okay? There's your wreath. Behold it. Look, I'm just gonna pose next to it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. We're actually gonna walk back through where we entered before to see if, scout out if anything's happening yet. Yeah, I see smoke and fog, but we're getting there, guys. I'm so excited. Okay, get it, get it, get it. This feels more like Halloween. All the lanterns are turning on, you guys can see.
I didn't even realize that.
Yeah, they turn on.
Well,
It looks,
turned on, but I didn't realize it.
yeah, it looks more and more like Halloween. Look, we got fog over here. Corella is usually standing up over here, but
The party technically hasn't started yet because it's only 6:36.
but we're killing
But
it.
like all the regular guests are out, so it's like the awkward in between time where they're getting stuff ready.
Audrey, for your first time, how do you feel? It's technically like my first time too, because I don't have much memory of the first time I was here. So over a decade ago, but new stuff, new experiences, new food, no new rides, but ride overlays.
Right overlays.
Ride overlays. They still count. I lost my mind when I saw the Hatbox Ghost so much that I took my phone out and tried to take a picture, and the flash went off and stopped the ride, so I apologize. This guy kind of adds to the eeriness of tonight. Hopefully it stays like this and it doesn't actually open up. So now that it's closer to 7, they have put out in each of the restaurants the Halloween themed items. So what's the thing we're getting?
It's a Mickey pumpkin cheesecake. It's a little Mickey cheesecake that's pumpkin flavored.
It sounds really good,
This is
but
what I've been looking forward to, food-wise, to try this entire time.
we're gonna try taste test. But I'm eyeballing the hot dog. How
That is so good.
Yeah. So cheesecake, rate out of 10.
I really like it.
Yeah.
It's
It's
a little
refreshing. Audrey, let me have a bite, but it looks refreshing.
We're here to share these.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna keep it all myself.
We are sharing these for sure. This is
What even is it?
It's like chipotle pork and street corn something. I'm gonna pop the little thing on the screen like right here somewhere or over here. Somewhere on the screen, but to say like what it is, but it looks really good. I love your guys' outfits, by the way. Tell me guys who you are, where you're from.
My name's Veronica and I'm from Winter Haven. And is that your name? It's Isaac.
Isaac?
I also live in Winter Haven. And he also lives in Winter Haven.
So, obviously fans of Coco, your guys' outfits are incredible. You want to show off the guitar real quick? Nice. Nice. Thank you guys for saying hi.
Thank you.
Enjoy Mickey's Not So Scary. So Sky still unfortunately looks bad, but I mean that view of the castle's pretty nice. So we're going to, what's the plan of action?
We're going to Sleepy Hollow to get the like Madame Leona's candle or something like that. It's like red velvet cake, push pop. So.
Yeah. Current situation, we're waiting. Well, actually, you can see by my hair, it started pouring down rain, and we are doing one of the treat. What is this? A treat trail?
Yeah, treat trail.
We're doing one of the treat trails right now. I'll flip the camera around in a second, but Disney always has a backup for everything, so I think you guys will be very pleasantly surprised by what's standing in front of me. So of course, when I'm at Disney, I'm always making new friends and everything. So, what is your name? Where are you from? What are you most excited for?
My name's Olivia and I'm from England. And
England?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And I'm excited for getting lots of candy.
For what? To get loads of candy?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
I don't know.
You don't know? All of them?
Yeah.
I like M&M's personally. So. Olivia, thank you for saying hi. It's the Hitchhiking Ghost. That's so cool. We're gonna try one-handed.
I'll be assist.
All right.
There you go.
Cool. Thank you guys so much.
Have a
Happy
good one.
Halloween.
We
don't like rain.
Run for it.
We don't like rain. Man. I'm very happy. 20,000 Leagues is getting represented in the parks. Makes my heart happy. Vlog update. My camera is soaked.
It's a little rainy,
Just a tad.
but it's not bad.
It's clearing off though.
Yeah,
It's clearing off though.
We're working. We're at the Monsters Inc. Laugh right now because there's another treat trail and then they're also like having Halloween overlay.
Yeah.
We're kind of doing both.
Yeah.
Also,
We're
we
doing both.
never got the Sleepy Hollow thing. I don't think we told them that. We never got it.
No, we didn't
The line
tell
was
them.
way
We didn't
too
tell you
long.
guys. It's
it
way
was
too long.
like a 30-minute wait for a cake. I was like, no.
We're gonna try later though. We will try
Yeah.
later.
I like the reference. I really do. Yeah.
I do what I can.
Hello there in the orange. Good to see you.
We're over here. Hello. Hello, everyone.
Good to see you. Welcome in. Number 14. Nice to see you, sir.
Keep working hard, 14. Someday you'll be number 1. Well, I couldn't wait to come out here to see all of these humans because, I don't know if you know this, but I know everything about the demon Halloween.
Wait, seriously?
Seriously.
Is this like when you say you know about human geography?
Yeah, same thing.
We're waiting to see if the 8:15 parade is gonna happen. We're gonna, oh, lightning. We're gonna try to wait it out. I think it is gonna happen. I think it'd be cool. Yeah, it's not raining, it's just lightning. Main Street looks beautiful as ever. And the castle looks very spooky. So, are you feeling Halloween yet, Audrey?
Feeling very spooky.
Oh yeah, so 8:15 parade. Gonna watch the parade. I don't know what we're gonna do after that. We're doing what we can. Given the weather conditions, we're doing what we can. Show it off, show it off. Audrey got the Spirit jersey, that's limited edition for here.
Yes.
So your first, not so scary.
10 out of 10.
How's it going? 10 out of 10?
So fun.
She's like, I don't care about the weather. I'm just glad I'm here. I'm like,
We
yeah,
can
me
still
too.
do everything. As
Yeah.
long as like the shows still happen.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
just get wet.
The parade's the best part. I was telling Audrey the other day when we were talking about coming here that every year, and my mom can attest to this, we carve pumpkins in our garage listening to the Boot to You soundtrack because we bought it when they used to sell CDs at Disney of like the music back in 2008 when I did it for the first time. But now they don't do that because people like to
Because
copyright
nobody
stuff.
uses CDs now.
That's also true. Anyways, we're getting ready for the parade.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. The first parade was canceled due to ghoulish weather. We kind of figured that, but hopefully 11:15 we're still good to go.
It was supposed to start bringing at what, 9?
Yeah, 9-ish. brownish. But it's like sprinkling right now, but there's a lot of lightning in the area. And I guess for the dancers, they want the street to be. Yeah, yep. It's like my one shot to get this all on video. I'm trying, guys. I'm really trying. Hi, Stitch. Hi, Stitch. You say hi to it? It's not gonna hurt you, it's fine. It's
Do you like the camera?
Wave like this. Say hi, there's people in there. They see you, yeah, rock out.
Yes.
Yeah, there you go. It's still raining. We just met Stitch, we're gonna get on the people mover. And then, what else?
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
Those should still happen.
It's firework time. Yay! It's actually happening. They are gonna put the fireworks on.
The story that you are about to be told is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen, get ready for this is Halloween.
It was really good. I don't remember.
They felt short.
They did. They did feel a little short.
Like 15 minutes compared to like 125.
Yeah.
But they have a stage show and a parade too, so like it makes sense that like they can't make it as long.
I don't remember there being fireworks when I came here.
They probably didn't have them because like when I was younger, the only fireworks they had was wishes, but there was no projection. So there's only so much they can change.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like either just the fireworks and the song.
I think, because I don't remember, like, Disney's been very recent with the projection mapping stuff, and I don't think they had that technology back then. Or maybe I just don't remember.
No, because Wishes didn't have it. I think, I want to say Happily Ever After was the first. Don't come at me in the comments if I'm wrong.
Yeah, don't.
But I think it was the first one with the...
Someone fact check that.
Wishes didn't have them. Enchantment and Happily Ever After did, and I don't think there was anything in between those.
Yeah, yeah. But we're waiting on the stage show now. We have a really good spot. So still, fingers crossed.
They're cleaning the stage, so we think that means they're going to do it.
I see the cauldron too, so
yeah.
I think we're good to go. And it has stopped raining. It has stopped raining. Well, actually, it's weird. You look up at the lights and you see rain, but we're not feeling rain at all. So, but fingers crossed for Boo to you.
But fear not, something magical shall still happen here tonight. Now, prepare thyself for a spellbinding treat that is filled with a bit of hocus pocus.
We will still throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen. Will you stop that? Oh, sorry, Winnie. Enough! It's time to call forth our friends. They're here! Your Excellency, we're so glad you could make it to our party. No.
Post-parade sweet treat from
Plaza Ice Cream Parlor.
Ice Cream Parlor. Graveyard Shake. So we're 2 for 2 with the things I wanted to try. So for your first time, Audrey, for the parade, what did you think?
It's my favorite parade ever. I love it so much. I've watched it on YouTube so many times and like seen it in person. I was like, I loved it.
It was really good. So I think after all the rain and bad weather that we had, the night worked out in our favor.
10 out of 10 night.
10 out of 10 night. Yeah, 12 out of 10.
12 out of 10 night.
Because we like even numbers on this channel. No, I'm so beyond thankful now that I live here, and thankful for Audrey for inviting me to come out and see Mickey's Not So Scary. It's literally been over a decade since I've seen this parade, and the only thing I saw back then was the parade. There was no fireworks show. There was no Hocus Pocus show. It was a great time. I'm sad that we're leaving, but I live here now. I don't have to make a 2-hour flight or a 14-hour drive, so it's great. But one last look at Main Street behind me before we leave. And I say this was a successful Mickey's Not So Scary. What do you think?
100%.
100%. So we're going back to the parking lot, and then when I get back to my apartment, I will debrief the video and say my final thoughts. But everyone on the vlog, say bye to Audrey for now.
Happy Halloween.
No, seriously, go subscribe to Audrey. She's gonna be posting a lot of really, really fun stuff.
Yes.
Coming soon.
Coming soon, guys.
Soon.
Trust.
So, from Magic Kingdom 2024, Mickey's Not So Scary. We will see you all real soon. is now the next day after Mickey's Not So Scary, and my God, dude, what a blast we had. It was so freaking fun, way better than I remembered, and I'm so thankful that I got to go with one of my best friends, Audrey. If you guys haven't already, go check out her stuff. Her Instagram and her YouTube is linked at the top of the bio. She's gonna be posting a video very soon. We had an amazing night, other than it raining and storming for the entire night and us thinking that we weren't gonna get to see the parade, we weren't gonna see the hitchhiking ghost, we weren't gonna see the stage show. It all did come full circle and we were able to see it. Unfortunately, we weren't able to see the Headless Horseman kick off the parade. That's because there was still inclement weather in the area, and if lightning or thunder struck, they didn't want to spook the horse. But you know, we had Max dressed as Powerline kick off the parade, so I mean, I guess that's also pretty cool, because you know, as a fan of the Goofy movie, I thought it was pretty cool. You guys did see the hitchhiking ghost. When they're not outside above where the Country Bear Jamboree is, they put them inside of that little, like, I forget the name of it, but it's Diamond something Saloon. And that Diamond Saloon place is actually on one of the candy trails, and they just happened to be standing on the stage right there, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's super cool. We get to be like up close and personal with them. All in all, it was a very fun night. I had such an amazing time. I'm so blessed and thankful that this is my new life now that I get to go to Disney. On top of going to my dream school, it's just, this whole entire week, this first week of classes has been so surreal for me, and I've met so many amazing people and become friends with so many amazing people who I hope stay my friends all throughout college, because I honestly don't know what I would do without them. So thank you guys so much for watching my Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party 2024 video. If you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and if you feel so inclined, please subscribe. We are on the road to 1K. I'm trying to hit 1K by my 21st birthday this year, which is December 27th. So tell your friends about me, tell your family about me. And if your family and friends like Disney, definitely send them to my channel, as it helps me out a ton. That is going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I look forward to creating more Disney Parks content in the future. But for now, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.